to Clara's lab. I have my helper here.
Hi.
And today we are going to make a volcano explosion with soap, dish soap, water. We're going to need this. 15. You can use whatever kind you have. And we're going to need
a spoon, a measuring spoon, of course.
No, we don't. We need baking soda and citric acid. So we are going to have 2 scoops of baking soda.
Is it baking soda?
Whoops. And then in a little bit because I got a lot. And then 1 scoop of citric acid, which I got. It looks like snow. And then we are going to mix it up. We are going to put water in our beaker to 15 again. Wow, that's definitely not okay. And then, okay. And then we're going to put soap, 1 squeeze of soap. Make sure you always have a grown-up watching and helping. And then we're going to stir it up. The soap in with the water.
And what do you think the soap's going to do?
Make it fizz more. Because I watched a video. Remember? Okay. I think that's enough. And now we are going, Natalie, ready? Now we are going to pour it in. I was right! Oh my gosh!
Look good!
Oh my gosh, it looks like milk or shaving cream.
Or ice cream.
That melts.
Look at the bowl go over. That's that.
Wow. Mom, you need to come here.
Mom, come here.
And that is why you always need a grown-up. Because it almost came over. Mom!
Come.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.
Mom, come fast.
Okay.
We're using with that soap and make that.
On Clara's lab. Bye.
Bye.